Neuroanatomy is the study of the structure and organization of the nervous system, encompassing both the central nervous system, or CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. The CNS includes the brain and spinal cord. The brain is the most complex organ in the human body, responsible for most functions of the body and mind. The spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular structure made up of nervous tissue, extending from the medulla oblongata to the lower back. It transmits nerve signals between the brain and the rest of the body, playing a crucial role in bodily functions. The brain is divided into several key regions, each with specific functions. The cerebrum, the largest part, includes the cerebral cortex, responsible for higher brain functions such as thought, voluntary movement, language, reasoning, and perception. The brain is further divided into lobes. The frontal lobe, involved in decision-making and voluntary motor activity. The parietal lobe, which processes sensory information. The temporal lobe, crucial for auditory processing and memory. And the occipital lobe, primarily responsible for vision. Subcortical structures like the basal ganglia regulate movement, while the limbic system, including the hippocampus and amygdala, manages memory and emotion. The spinal cord is essential for transmitting nerve signals between the brain and the rest of the body. It extends from the medulla oblongata to the lower back and is composed of nervous tissue. This structure is crucial for both sensory and motor pathways, allowing the brain to communicate with the body. It also plays a vital role in reflex actions, which are automatic responses to certain stimuli, ensuring quick reactions to potential dangers without the need for conscious thought. The PNS includes all the nerves outside the CNS and is divided into the somatic and autonomic nervous systems. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements and transmits sensory information to the CNS. It includes 12 pairs of cranial nerves that emerge directly from the brain and 31 pairs of spinal nerves that emerge from the spinal cord. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary body functions and is further divided into the sympathetic nervous system, which prepares the body for fight or flight responses, and the parasympathetic nervous system, which prepares the body for rest and digest activities. The enteric nervous system manages gastrointestinal functions. The nervous system's basic functional units are neurons, responsible for transmitting information throughout the body. Neurons have dendrites that receive signals from other neurons, and an axon that transmits signals to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Synapses are the junctions where information is transmitted between neurons. Glial cells support and protect neurons. Astrocytes maintain the blood-brain barrier and provide structural support. Oligodendrocytes form the myelin sheath in the CNS, while Schwann cells form it in the PNS. Microglia act as the main immune defense in the CNS, ensuring the nervous system's health and functionality. The nervous system includes various functional pathways. Sensory pathways transmit sensory information from the body to the CNS, allowing us to perceive our environment. Motor pathways transmit motor commands from the CNS to the muscles, enabling movement. Autonomic pathways regulate involuntary functions such as heart rate and digestion, ensuring the body's internal environment remains stable and responsive to changes. Several imaging techniques are crucial for studying neuroanatomy. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, provides detailed images of the brain and spinal cord. Computed tomography, or CT, is useful for detecting brain injuries and abnormalities. Electroencephalography, or EEG, measures the brain's electrical activity, while functional MRI, or fMRI, measures brain activity by detecting changes in blood flow, offering insights into brain function and structure. Understanding neuroanatomy is essential for diagnosing and treating neurological disorders such as stroke, epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, and brain tumors. This knowledge is crucial for medical professionals, neuroscientists, and researchers, enabling them to develop effective treatments and advance our understanding of the nervous system.